Now let's go back to the Azure Databricks and click on Go to Resource. Click on Launch Workspace. Now once Azure Databricks opens, the left menu is your control center. Workspace is where you store notebooks. Recents is what you accessed recently. Catalog is for governing data. It lets you organize data into catalogs, schemas, and tables. And you can see here is our meta store. Now for the other options, jobs and pipeline helps automate tasks. It will also include the job runs, and the final option, compute, is where clusters live. Here you create clusters and all your cluster related information is here. Now finally, job run contains information related to job runs, jobs and pipelines. It's very similar to jobs and pipelines too. And now for the rest of the features like playground, experiments, features, model, service, serving, these features are for machine learning. Now let's go back to the workspace and click on workspace, click on create and click on folder. Let's name it Azure Data Cleaning. And again click on create and here click on notebook. Now in order to securely connect Azure storage account to Databricks, we will need one more thing, and that is Databricks secret scope. So let's create it. Right click on this tab and duplicate it. Now what you are going to do is you're going to remove from editor till the question mark, okay, and after hash remove it, and here type secrets slash create scope. Once it opens, give the scope name. Let's give it a name as Databricks scope, and manage principal will be all workspace users. Now for the DNS name we need key vault. So go back to the key vault and under settings click on properties. Now this is the vault URI that you will copy. Copy it and then paste it in here, and resource ID, copy it and paste it in here. Now click on create. Okay, now copy this Databricks secret scope and okay. Now that the key vault and Databricks secret scope is created, we will connect Azure storage account to Databricks and then do data cleaning there in the next part.